Arbitration is a form of dispute resolution which takes place outside of the traditional courtroom. The parties enter an agreement by which they appoint a suitably qualified person, an arbitrator, normally a qualified lawyer, to resolve their dispute. The dispute in family law cases can either be relating to children or relating to financial provision. There are many benefits of arbitration. Speed. It's normally quicker than the traditional court process. Confidentiality. You can be assured of complete confidentiality in relation to your children and also in relation to your financial dispute. You can choose your arbitrator, which is a significant advantage, someone that both parties can really trust. You can control the process. The process is much more flexible than the court process.
It's a less stressful process than being in a courtroom. Your arbitrator will just be dealing with your case on the day, and you will have chosen a date and a time and a place that's convenient to you. There may also be a saving in terms of expense. People who are considering arbitration often first find out about it on the web. There's the Institute of Family Law Arbitrators who have a very useful website that's very informative. Otherwise, people may have read about the arbitration process, and referrals are made by solicitors and by people just phoning up chambers.
Family arbitration does provide a legally binding determination for the parties, and each of them sign an agreement precisely to that effect. Obviously, the same legal principles apply to family law arbitrations as would apply to family cases in a court setting. Once the arbitrator makes his or her decision, it's possible for the parties to apply to the court to have the decision lodged as a consent order. Assuming the correct procedure has been followed, it's highly likely the courts will enforce the arbitration determination. 4PB are very well placed to carry out both children and financial arbitration. We have a wide range of arbitrators who are suitably qualified, both QCs and junior barristers. We have already carried out many arbitrations, and so we've got experience of this relatively new procedure.
If you consider that arbitration may very well be for you, then you should get in touch with our clerks here at 4 Paper Buildings, and they will advise you as to the next steps.